there's not going to be a displacement of all tax professionals because of AI, but there will be a displacement of tax professionals who don't use AI in their firm because those are the folks that are going to fall behind. McKinsey and Company, one of the biggest consulting firms in the world, talks about AI and it being able to increase your productivity up to 40%. Think about what that would feel like for you. If the typical amount of work that you do during tax season, 40% of it can be eliminated. That's what we're talking about here. Once you get that time savings, you get to choose where you deploy it. Do you deploy it towards growth? Do you deploy it towards getting new clients in the door? Do you deploy it towards being able to work on your business instead of in your business, going out and spending the time that you really do need to recruit, hire, and train the right team so that you can sit at that CEO position and not at the tax preparer position and all the other 9 positions that come along with this business? In the old days, it was all about filling out paper forms or filling out very forms-based stuff on a very rudimentary software program. And now automation is doing a lot of that. Tools like TurboTax pull in data from W-2 sources and 1099 sources, and that's our competition.